exciting and I'm going to do a craziest thing. Tragic? Why? I've heard people saying that when they go to Mahakumbh, it's so religious that they will experience some different type of divinity or something spiritually. Do you also feel like
I
that?
myself is not a very religious person.
Any tragic experience, breakups or anything? No. You won't tell that in camera also.
I say yes to new things. I'll do things because I don't want to feel stuck.
First one was the loyalty.
Going to do a craziest thing. So as you all know, today is the last day of 2025 and today I'm going to ask random people asking about how was this year for them, what did they achieve and any advice that they want to give. So let's go. Well, let's see whether I will be able to do it or not because I'm damn scared about it. Let's come with me. Someone is sitting over there. I'm going to her and I will ask about it. Hi.
Hi.
Excuse me. Actually, I'm making a YouTube vlog. So in that, I'm going to the strangers and I'm asking how was this 2025 year was for them. So are you fine with it?
Okay, sure.
Okay. So would you like to tell how was this year 2025 for you?
Okay, should I introduce myself?
Yeah, it will be fine.
Okay.
Okay, I will
Myself
take a
Sika
seat
Srivastava.
here.
Sure. I'll remove
Sorry
this.
to disturb you at
No,
this
no,
way.
no. It's okay. I was only just sitting here waiting.
Yeah.
Actually, I especially remember this year was very exciting and adventurous for me because last year when the year was ending and I was thinking ki because of academic pressures and I was juggling a lot of things because I gave JRF last year and I cleared it and I was managing like interviews and everything to get in PhD. So I thought this year I'll say yes to new things. I'll do things because I don't want to feel stuck. And I exactly did that. So this year was very adventurous and surreal. I went to a trip with my best friend. We were planning it for
So
years.
where did you go?
Rishikesh. But first like girls trip and solo kind
wow.
of thing because we both were alone for the first time.
Okay.
And it was great because most of the she's my best friend but she lives in another city. She lives in Ayodhya. I live in Prayagraj, so it was long distance kind of thing for years. So it was very exciting for us. We made lot of memories. We had great fun. Then also the Mahakumbh was the
Okay, did you go there?
yeah I was staying in the tents in that
Okay.
area and that was very exciting.
Would you like to share how was your experience over there? Because so
Mahakumbh?
many
So,
people,
yes.
so big crowd.
So as I said, because I enrolled in PhD, so I was a volunteer, research volunteer. So I got to stay in the tents which were in the area near the ghats and everything.
Okay.
So I got to see it very closely. It was very good, and also most of the time, like I agree, people lack civic sense. Also,
Yeah.
government lacks some infrastructure and but that was the way they managed Mahakumbh. Was very good. The cleaning people were there 24/7 and everything was for hospitals, lost and found, everything was there and everything was good, I think.
I've heard people saying that when they go to Mahakumbh, it's so religious that they will experience some different type of divinity or something spiritually. Do you also feel like
I
that?
myself is not a very religious person. I think I am agnostic. Like I believe there's some supernatural power. It is like this particular God. I don't believe in that.
Okay.
But I think there is some truth to that because there is some peace related to it. And also for people who feel super calm and things, I think that's placebo effect also because if we talk about like we're going to feel magical things, we are going to feel magical things. But it was a magical experience because you wake up at 4 a.m. early in the morning, you are going with 100 not 200 people walking towards the ghat, you're taking a dip.
Right.
So it is a magical feeling, it is a spiritual feeling and it was nice, it was really nice. Also I don't know how much truth to it and how I feel about it, but the water really feels different
Really?
during Mahakumbh. Yes, I don't know how, but it is like if you go to Prayagraj on a normal day, you can still take a bath and you can do boating and it's still nice. But during Mahakumbh it feels different. The water is different.
Because of that vibes, everyone is there.
Yeah. Also I took the bath because I was staying near the ghat, the Arai Ghat, so that's Yamuna.
Okay.
And the other ghat is Ganga. The Sangam is knows where the two river meet.
Hmm.
So we took a boat and we like went to the middle where the
wow.
two river
That-
meets. Yes,
Oh, okay,
we took
okay.
bath
That
there.
point.
Yeah,
Wow.
because their water is very shallow there, where the
Hmm.
two river meets. You can stand there. You will not like.
Okay.
So that was very nice.
So any lessons that you learned in 2025?
Yes, say yes to things. This is like still I'm not I'm introvert person. I'm saying yes to things, but I still think a lot. I'm not a very impulsive or spontaneous person. But what I learned, whenever I said yes to things, whenever I did spontaneous thing, it was very good experience. Like be careful also. Don't be reckless, but do things.
Okay.
Do
So
try new
yes
things.
to things means yes to opportunities or yes to what things like? Can you just tell it?
Opportunities, adventures, doing things, working on yourself, everything I think. Because as I said, I did a lot of things this year. I wanted to gain weight for quite a time, but I was not getting time to like focus on going to the gym, managing my diet. But I joined gym also this year.
Oh,
It's been
wow.
only 1 month, and I also like got busy because of the conference. But I did that also, and it felt great doing self help. And I love reading books.
Okay.
I have read a lot. So I also like this year I read quite a few books, and I was like it was good. This was a good year, and I feel hopeful for the next year
Okay,
because
well,
of this year.
Achha, was there any experience that you will never forget in this year? Maybe a very
Yes.
experience that broke you, or maybe that raised you up?
Nothing happened like quite that broke me, but like I think I experienced a part of myself I never. It was there. I knew it was there, but I never explored it. But I found it, and I am very happy I found it because I want to continue finding that person.
By saying yes to the person.
Yes, and also by exploring who I am apart from academics, apart from being introvert, because I was always very academic person. I was a nerd, and I because my hobby is reading books. So you can think like if I'm not studying, maybe I'm reading only. So, but I tried new things. I tried things which I would never imagine I try because things like even if without any planning, without any reason, if there is no sightseeing, nothing, still I went with my friends. If they are going somewhere, they are asking me to join them. I joined them, and it was fun.
You explored yourself.
Yes, and also I talked to a lot of people. I got to know a lot of opinion and perspectives. And we to study sociology, so it's kind of our thing. And but I love knowing new things. And there is a theory in sociology, multiple perspective.
So I'm sorry to ask this. Sociology and physiology, like, is it different? Like, it's related to mind, I guess.
No, physiology is related to physique.
Okay,
You're
okay.
talking about psychology.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah,
that is
so-
sociology.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
psychology is related to mind. Psychology is study of mind. Sociology is study of society.
Oh, okay, okay.
So mind is how we think as a human or as
Okay.
a person, and the sociology is how we act in a society.
Okay, like
How
maybe our
we-
gesture, our etiquettes,
Yes.
all these things. No.
Gesture, etiquettes, relation,
Okay.
marriages. These all.
That's why so you are so good at talking, huh?
I think so. Maybe.
No, I really like talking, like the way you are telling your things so systematically. I really admire you for it.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so any advice that you want to give to the people that they are watching us?
To be very honest, I'm not at any space or place to give advice to someone because I'm still at a place where I am discovering new things, making mistakes. In fact, I'm learning to make mistakes, and I'm enjoying making mistakes because I get to learn from it, and also it will be an experience, even if it's a mistake. So, if I want to give an advice, I will say make mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Don't do the things in the fear of not being perfect or it may go wrong. Do things. It may go wrong. It will go wrong, but you'll learn from it, and
That's right.
you'll like it.
So that was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time for this.
Thank you.
Okay.
All the best for your blog
Yeah, you can
and
say.
your future adventures.
Okay, bye bye.
Guys, please subscribe her. It's really nice.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
दो लोग चल रहे हैं and now I'm going to ask them. I don't know will they accept it or not. Oh, it's really kind very awkward, but let's do it. Excuse me. Hi. Actually, I'm making a YouTube vlog. So in that I'm asking the random persons how did 2025 go for them. Would you like to be a part for it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so how was 2025 go for you?
Yeah, the starting year I thought that it was an excellent year, but at the end it was a drastic year for me.
Tragic?
Dra-
Why?
For in the starting month in the February I won the Hackathon.
Okay.
Okay, and after the April month I shortlisted for the FANG companies like Netflix, Nvidia and
Okay.
Autodesk companies, and I also for the rejection letter also.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then?
then I didn't have still offer for another company.
Okay.
Still trying.
You are in which year?
Fourth year.
Fourth year only. Okay, okay. So, what are your bucket list for 2026?
Uh, First one was the loyalty.
Okay.
Second was to improve my patience.
Okay.
And second thought was I have to crack another offer immediately.
Okay. Any advice for the students who are in fourth year and watching you?
Watching you means
Any advice for them?
guys, don't come to campus again for the campus placement and don't leave the company you are currently placed right now.
Okay, so I hope 2026 will be a very good year for you and you will accomplish all the things that you say. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so
Bye.
much. Thank you. Would you like to tell? Okay, so yeah, how was 2025 for you?
Yeah, it's going fine. It was hopeful and progressive. 2025 was very good for me. Still hoping next year will also be good.
Any tragic experience, breakups or anything?
No, nothing.
You won't tell that in camera also.
No, nothing.
Any lessons that you learned in 2025?
Yeah, to be consistent is important part of being in life. That's what.
So what advice would you like to give to people who are seeing us?
Learn constantly and upskill yourself. That's what matters.
Okay, thank you. Would you like to tell your name?
Yeah, my name is Abhiram.
Abhiram. Okay, yeah.
I'm Satvik.
Satvik. Okay, nice to meet you, Abhiram and Satvik. Satvik and Abhiram. Thank you. Hi, so we finally asked three people how 2025 go for them, and it was really a great experience. And yeah, because before this, I never made a video like this in which I will be asking random people a few questions. So it was a great experience, and also I was so scared because I never, like I told you, I never had made this type of video. I was so afraid. Even while recording this, I didn't start the recording button. So yeah, this much fear I had. So yeah, I guess 3 people are enough for today because I tried my best, and their experience was really good. Some people told me how to say yes to opportunities, because one opportunity can definitely change your life. You don't know, so do say yes to the opportunities you are getting. And the people also told me how they are looking for a job, and they are how to stay consistent, how to stay calm, how to be loyal. So everyone has their own experiences, everyone has their own stories. Some people learn, some people grew up through the lessons, some people lost few things, but at the last they kept moving forward. They don't stop. So you also don't stop. Even if you are feeling stuck today, don't stop. Let this year end and take away all the sorrows, all the pain from you. Let all your pain, all your sorrow go with this year 2025, and I wish you a very, very, very best, peaceful, healthy new year 2026. Welcome 2026 with all open arms, with good blessings, because this year is going to be a very good year for everyone who is watching this video. So do like, share and subscribe, and please do tell me how you are going to celebrate your new year and how was your 2025. Bye bye.